To get started with our seamless morph transition, we have our two adjustment clips with the scenes placed side by side. First, right-click the first adjustment clip and select Open in Fusion page. Inside the Fusion page, you can see our entire motion graphics setup. We have our text node and a DaVinci Resolve logo. Putting these inside the adjustment clip keeps our main edit timeline clean and ready for the transition. Now let's head back to the edit page, right-click our second adjustment clip, and open it in Fusion as well. In this second composition, we have our next text scene. To give our morph transition a snappy, organic feel, we will use the animation principle of anticipation. Select the first adjustment clip and place your playhead a few frames before the cut, and add your first keyframe. Next, move forward just a couple of frames and add your second keyframe. Finally, place the playhead directly on the cut frame and set your third keyframe. Now animate the X value of the last keyframe and move the clip to the left just like I am doing. Next, we are going to animate our middle keyframe, which sits right between the first keyframe and the cut. Let's adjust its X value to shift the clip slightly to the right. This small, subtle movement in the opposite direction is the secret to creating anticipation, giving our final motion a much more organic feel. With our keyframes placed, we need to smooth out the morph transition. Click the keyframe editor icon on the timeline toolbar. Expand your transform parameters, select the position X keyframes for your first clip, right-click, and choose Ease In and Out. Now, drag the bezier handles to create a steep curve. This ensures the morph snaps quickly right at the cut. Let's play this back to check the timing. You can see the text pull to the left, morph quickly, and the second scene slide in from the left to settle. The animation on our first clip is nearly complete. Now, we just need to adjust the keyframes inside the keyframe panel to fine-tune their timing. Feel free to tweak the spacing between these points until the speed and rhythm of the movement feel right for your edit. Let's play this back to check the timing. The movement is much better, but we need to add a clean background to hide the transparent timeline underneath. To fix this, go to your effects library, find the solid color generator, and drag it onto video track 1 below your graphics. Change the generator's color to the same color as the background of the scene in the inspector. Next, select your adjustment clip, go to the video tab, and set the composite mode to foreground so our graphic overlays cleanly on top. Now do the same exact thing for the second adjustment clip, but with a black color as that is the background of the second scene. Next, we need to carry that momentum over into our second scene. Select the second adjustment clip and set two keyframes, one exactly on the cut and another a bit further down the timeline. We will then decrease the X value of the first keyframe so the clip starts off screen to the left. This seamlessly continues the left to right motion from the first scene, creating a smooth transition. Now, we will smooth these keyframes using a curve that behaves oppositely to our first scene. We want the motion to start very fast right at the cut, and then gradually slow down to a gentle, smooth stop as our second scene settles. From here, you can tweak your X-axis values and adjust the distance between your keyframes to dial in the speed and achieve the exact look you are going for. Let's play it back. Just like that, you have a snappy, custom morph transition ready to elevate your motion graphics edits.